Thank you for joining us in this new build. Our team is on site and cutting a kitchen countertop. It is a black quartz with a glitter. Our team cuts the stone on site because of the innovative design of this specific kitchen countertop. Our team is very experienced at doing this. Then we fit this innovative design onto this kitchen countertop, and you have to follow us and subscribe to see how incredible this specific design turned out. Here we are busy measuring and then eventually securing this side panel to the countertop. This is a innovative design from our team at Good Wolf Designer Cupboards. This is teamwork. You need to get it exact because you only have one chance. Anya came forward with a few designs which the client liked, and then the designs were then drawn in 3D on the computer, and after acceptance we then went into production, and this process takes about 2-3 weeks because everything has to be cut at our factory. When production starts, it only takes a couple of days to actually install the kitchen. So we have to get a flawless joint on this and a nice rounded edge. So our team makes sure that the joint is flawless. In the next video, we will show you the final product. There are no handles yet on any of these cupboards. As you can see, Stephen just unlocks the door and then takes it off because he's going to install the extractor fan now.
Yeah.
And there it goes. Now it's going in. With the push of a button, this extractor fan will move up and down, and the installation takes a bit of know-how. And so please subscribe to the channel and follow us to see how this kitchen turned out. We love to do innovative designs for our clients. We always suggest the best layout for every kitchen, and we only use the best sliders in our drawers and the best finishes on all the different surfaces. And now we fit the actual gas hob. And it goes in as planned. So don't forget to subscribe. Here you can see the extractor hob going down by itself. And in the final reveal video, we will show you exactly how this one works. So yes, you don't need a hob and a huge extractor unit going out of your kitchen. You can just have it installed in the island itself. So feel free to ask your questions down in the comments, and we will do our best to answer you.